11 years, 12 months is a 132-month sentence. 15% of it will come off the top as good time credit. That equals around 19.8 months of good time credit. So if you look at that, that means that we're starting at 11 years, and it's going to come down to from 132 months to 112.2 months or 9.35 years, as long as there's no disciplinary infraction. So what does that mean? No one really anticipates getting in trouble. Not really. I mean, I didn't. I was convicted of a felony about a little under 20 years ago. And while I'm grateful that I was able to get my license to practice reinstated back in 2010. I was completely unprepared for everything that happened, both within the court system, the legal system, and then within the Federal Bureau of Prisons. And so what caused me to transition from patient care after my reinstatement in 2010 to working with all of you is with the hopes of preparing you in the best way possible so that you are able to get the best possible results as you prepare for your pre-sentence interview and potential time within the Federal Bureau of Prisons. While Ms. Holmes had most likely a stellar legal team, I don't know that they provided a completely 365-degree stellar defense regarding what she's about to get into. So regarding disciplinary infractions, she's bound to have somebody offer her. She's going in as a celebrity. Everybody's going to know who she is. She's going to be the smartest person in the room. She cannot let the BOP staff know she's the smartest person in the room. They don't care. Right now, she's a convicted felon. She may not think she's a criminal, but they think she's a criminal. And because she's guilty now, she has to think she's a criminal, period. She's a just as impacted person. And so she'll be lonely at night times. And some of the other individuals are all for her a cell phone to call her kids. You're lonely. They want to talk to you. Don't use the cell phone, especially if you're calling home, because if they'll find the phone eventually. And then what's going to happen is that they'll find the phone number, and the phone number, if it matches your phone number at home, well, guess what? 8, 10, 12, 15 months later, they'll take away your good time. They'll take away your everything that you've gotten and you've worked so hard for. You don't need that. So you had your 11 months, 11 years. At 12 months is 132 months. 15% off is 19.8 months. That equates to, you've dropped now from 11 years to 9.35 years, more or less.